Let's get started. First, click the Start menu, type CMD to find Command Prompt, and click Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: powercfg/battery report, and press Enter. This will generate a detailed battery report and save it as an HTML file. Now you'll see a message saying the report was saved to a specific location, usually something like C, Windows, System32, batteryreport.html. Go to that location using File Explorer and double-click the batteryreport.html file to open it in your web browser. In the report, look for the section called Battery Capacity History or Battery Life Estimates. You'll see Design Capacity, the original full capacity of your battery. Full charge capacity, how much charge your battery can currently hold. If the full charge capacity is much lower than the design capacity, your battery health has degraded. Now you know how to check your laptop's battery health using a built-in Windows tool. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.